So, watching the video, I have seen really superfood veggies like first comes beetroot, then comes amla, tomato, carrot, turmeric. Everything is a superfood here, and on top of it, we have a half lemon. So, basically, on that video, she have cut all the fruits and veggies, and then she just blended and extracted the juice. So that what we are also going to do. So I have already cut all my veggies, and I have kept the lemon for the last, and then I'm extracting the juice right now, which will come for a big bowl. And after this extracting, this is how the juice looks towards me. It is really red. It can tint your lips as well. It can tint like your how to say it is your, when you go to bathroom and that things, it can tint that also. So yeah, so it is a really healthy juice. First of all, I have seen, so first day the impression of drinking this juice was really ugly, because this basically doesn't taste like beet or anything. This basically has the smell and taste of turmeric and the nimbu we have added in that is the main taste things, and on the color the beet comes. So yeah, this was the first day. Then this is the second day. I forgot to film it, that's why I have just filmed it towards my office locker. Then this is the third day. I'm at my office and I'm at the balcony, so just enjoy the view. While enjoying the view, I was drinking this juice, which was still horrible for me because I was not able to see any results, which you are obviously not able to if it doesn't works for you for 15 days. You need to use anything for 15 days to see a valuable result. So this was the third day, I guess. So I was at home. I was ill or something, I don't know, but it was a off day. So I was in the home enjoying my juice in a bottle. Then yeah, the juice things was really not tasty, but it feels really healthy somehow. And what the juice have done, I will say you at the last. I will not say you right now, because now I'm just enjoying the process of tinting my lips and just seeing that what it had changed on me, which is basically nothing else than tinting my lips. So yeah, this was how I was looking in the fourth day, I guess. When I was at home, I am regularly using sunscreen now, so I really try to avoid the tan, and I'm drinking the juice in a bottle now. So basically, what this veggies does na really clears your stomach up. So this is the sixth day. I'm at office having my breakfast, which was basically paratha, roti, and some side curries. Then this is the lunch, khichdi and some pakora. But I have drank the juice as well. Then this is the seventh and last day of my drinking juice. So I'm at my floor working, and I have the juice beside me, and I was really not able to drink it because every time I drink it my tongue goes out and it feels really bad. So however, this is how my skin looks right now after seventh day, which is not at all a difference. As I guess, I look pretty much normal as I was, and I really have not seen any difference towards my skin color, which the product claims to do. But I have drank it regularly, but it has not done anything. So now let me show you what this drink is basically useful for. So basically this all things come from natural extracts, okay, like carrot, beet, tomato, amla, turmeric. So together this five or six things makes a amazing juice which detoxifies you. And by detoxifying, I mean in 7 days I have noticed a huge loss in my weight. Okay, everyone is thinking like I'm sick or something that I have lost that much weight, but I'm not, because I'm drinking juice. However, this juice is really thin, and first of all you will not like the juice on your tongue, but once you drink it for 2 3 days it will become in a nice, you will like the taste, like I just like it. So basically this drink does, which clears up your stomach really good. It is a great fat cutter. I eat really junk every time, like you have seen what I eat in my breakfast and lunch and everything. Even today I have had biryani, nothing to do but look at how thin I am. So this is a great fat burner. I think whenever I have a wedding from now on, before 1 week I will start this juice. And what this have does, this made me a little bit glowing. Whenever I pull my cheeks now, it started. So it's an amazing healthy fat burner juice. I give it 10 on 10. But a whitening juice, it is not, babe. It is not. It is not a whitening juice at all. Maybe if you drink it for 15 to 30 days, it will clear up your skin as well as clearing up my stomach really good. So whatever clears up your stomach really good, it will really glow on your skin as soon as possible. But in 7 days I have noticed, just in my weight, I have not seen any skin difference. Maybe it will also happen, but after 15 to 1 month, girls. So just in 7 days you can't change your skin, I guess. And also if you even whiten your skin, it will just become 1 or 2 shade lighter, not more than that, like the products thumbnails or anything claims. So not an user, but you can also drink it, so it will boost your immunity as well as it will earn as a great fat burner to your body. And having something in morning which is loaded with this kind of veggies is amazing for your skin, amazing for your stomach, and your body will bless you for sure. So yeah, this was my take on this amazing so drink. Everyone has a Google for nowadays, so I'm not really explaining the every veggies goodness. You can just go and check it out. However, I really enjoyed the making process and the drinking process, because it is something that I'm doing for my skin, for my stomach, for my body at least. So yeah, I really love the process of drinking it for 7 days, and I will sure continue it for more. But I will not drink it continually every day, but I will give some break. So yeah, that was my video. Thank you so much for watching.